Hello and welcome to another video demonstration of LabVIEW Communication System Design Suite. I'm Chris Davis, an engineer at National Instruments, and in this video we'll be walking through an example from the software-defined radio community at ni.com/SDR community. This particular example scans for and decodes local 802.11b Wi-Fi network SSIDs. We'll use a laptop's wireless adapter to transmit an ad hoc 802.11b network that we can identify using the software-defined radio with LabVIEW Communication System Design Suite and a National Instruments USRP. In this case, we're going to use an NI USRP 2932 because it gives us the necessary bandwidth for our Wi-Fi signals. To begin, we've downloaded the project files from the LabVIEW community and have opened up the 802.11 Wi-Fi Decode project. From here, we've opened up main USRP Wi-Fi demo.gvi from the Files pane on the left, and you can observe the front panel that opens. Here you'll see there are a handful of parameter inputs we can control, along with the spectrum and acquired signal outputs and the decoded SSIDs. To run this example, we'll need to configure a nearby wireless network adapter to transmit a simple ad hoc 802.11b wireless network with a notable SSID for us to identify. For this video, we've pre-configured a laptop to transmit a network called Test Network. For suggested steps on setting up an ad hoc network, check out the documentation that comes along with this video on the community page. Now we'll identify the input parameters of the main VI. We need to set our device name to the IP address of our USRP, we'll set an IQ rate of 5 megasamples per second, carrier frequency to 2.462. That's the channel 1 of 802.11b Wi-Fi. Gain we'll leave at 0. Make sure your active antenna is configured properly, in this case RX1, and a trigger level of 0.5 will generally work well. Now before we run, I'll hide the files and data panes for better visibility. If we run the VI, we should start to see the signal come in, and shortly thereafter the SSIDs of our transmitted network. If you're running into issues with errors or having trouble, check out the community page for some troubleshooting help or ask a question on our forums. So we'll go ahead and run the VI. And there you see the network of interests SSID, test network. Well, that concludes our demonstration of detecting and decoding a local network SSID using LabVIEW Communication System Design Suite and the National Instruments USRP platform. The code for this demo and many others is available on the NI SDR community at ni.com/SDR community. Come join the conversation and learn more about how NI can help you discover software-defined radio.